Here's a quick video of the Hindle. Finally got it done. Went and screwed around and got my back hurt, so put me off for a little while. But I did finally get it packed in ceramic. This is what it sounds like as I approach. Just let you listen to it. It does still have a little bit of a rattle at the very high end. I think that's just in the construction of the can. I don't think it has anything to do with the internals of the engine. I think I've got the internal sounds gone. If you have a keen enough ear to hear them with the stock set up with the Hindle. I'm pretty pleased with it, so I'll shut up and let you listen to it. The emblem's missing because I screwed up and scratched it when I was disassembling. I got a new one coming. It's only $5, so I'll have that put on there. So that way we prove it's a Hindle, whatever it takes, I guess. Kind of like it. It's pretty sharp sitting there without it, but I'll quit rattling on so that way you can hear the exhaust. Has that little bit of a rasp at the very end, which I don't think I'm ever going to eliminate with this stock can. Now with the Morley muscle can that I have, it doesn't have that. It's got a really deep bass tone. So I'm just going to keep one on the shelf and one on the bike and just switch them up whenever I feel like a different sound. So here's the Hindle full setup, no emblem. I'll get that put on, hopefully straight, but dirty bike, but excuse all that. But I just wanted to let everybody hear it. I know a couple people were wanting me to put on a video that what it sounded like with just the ceramic versus the dog hair that was in there before that they pack it with. That might have been superior to ceramic, but I'm just partial to ceramic. I think everything sounds better with ceramic packing. So anyway, having questions, message me. I'll tell you where I got it from and kind of give you some tips on how to get it apart. By the way, that round tube, that black tube is round. When you take those end caps out, it goes back to round. So you have to be very careful about getting it back to oval as you put those caps in. And I've got a few tips I can give you if you're doing it. Maybe you got a few tips for me next time I do it. Anyway, there it is. Thank you.